Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to discuss example number 3 of the inscribed angle and its intercepted arc. Okay? So, given tayo ng circle B, wherein we have central angle, angle ABD. Bakit nga siya central angle? Kasi yung vertex nga is on the center, which measures 50 degrees. Okay? And another angle, anong klaseng angle to? Angle ACD. An inscribed angle kasi yung vertex na is on the circle, okay, which is missing measurement. Nawawala yung measurement niya. So, we have to solve for it. We have to find for the value of x. Dahil ang ating angle ABD ay central angle, at alam natin na yung central angle and its intercepted arc is equal, ibig sabihin yung arc AD natin is also correct, 50 degrees. Kasi pareho sila ng measurement. Okay, now, since itong arc na to is also intercepted arc of the inscribed angle ACD, anong pwede natin magamit na information? Ibig sabihin, ito ay doble nung inscribed angle natin. So, dahil doble siya, to get the inscribed angle, we have to divide the intercepted arc by 2. Okay? Dahil mas maliit ang inscribed angle kesa sa intercepted arc, ang gagawin natin is to divide it by 2. Not to multiply ha. Lagi kong nire-remind, kapag intercepted arc yung nawawala, i-multiply mo by 2 yung inscribed angle. Pero kapag ang nawawala ay inscribed angle, you have to divide the measure of your intercepted arc by 2. So, 50 divided by 2 is just 25 degrees. Sobrang dali naman ito. Mukha lang mahirap, no? O, nagets ba? Kung nagets, you try to solve for this. We have, again, circle B. And your central angle is angle ABD, which is equal to 74 degrees. What will be your inscribed angle? What is your x? Okay? So, don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Kaya i-share na tong video na to. Okay? Bye!